In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clip art using Canva Magic Studio. By the end, you'll know how to generate clean, stylized artwork and polish it so it's ready for use in your designs, stickers, or icons. First, open Canva and either start a new project or open an existing design where you want your clip art to live. Starting inside a canvas makes it easy to see scale and how the art will sit next to text or other elements. In the editor, head to Apps. Search for Magic Media, or look for it in the toolbar if it's already pinned. Open it, then switch to the Images tab. Here's where the magic happens. Type a detailed prompt describing exactly what you want. Clear, specific language will get you the cleanest results. For example, you could write, cartoon cat with big eyes, new style. Add helpful details like color, pose, mood, or background if it matters. Think of this description as giving the AI a creative brief. Before you generate, open the Styles menu to guide the look. For a classic clip art feel, try digital art, watercolor, or line art. Each option nudges the output toward a different texture and weight, from crisp vector-like edges to soft, painterly washes. If you already have a visual reference, maybe a logo or an example image, upload it to help the AI match that vibe. Tap Generate Images and give it a moment. You'll usually get several variations. Click through them and choose the one that best fits your project. If nothing hits the mark, tweak the prompt or style and generate again. Small wording changes can make a big difference. With an image selected, click Edit Photo to refine it using Magic Studio tools. Color Mix is great for shifting palettes to match your brand, while Liquify can nudge shapes for a more playful or stylized silhouette. Use Magic Eraser to clean up stray marks or remove tiny distractions without affecting the rest of the art. If you need a clean, isolated sticker-style graphic, use Background Remover. This pro feature quickly cuts away the background so your clip art sits perfectly on any color or layout. Zoom in to check the edges and refine if needed. For precise changes, open Magic Edit. Brush over the area you want to modify, then describe the change. You can swap an expression, add a prop, or replace colors in one part of the design without redrawing everything. That's it. Thanks for watching.